Have you ever felt that heart-stopping moment when your important files just vanish? It's a nightmare we've all faced. But today, we're changing the game. Meet RecoveryFox AI, your ultimate partner in data rescue. Getting started is easy. Head over to the website and hit that download button to get the latest AI-powered version. Run the installer, select your preferred language, and let's get this powerhouse onto your system. Review the license terms, click I agree, and you're just moments away from recovering your life's work. Pro tip: always install RecoveryFox AI on a different drive from where you lost your files to prevent overwriting your data. Make sure to run with administrator privileges so the AI can perform a deep, comprehensive scan of your hardware. Step 1. Choose your target. Launch the app, and you'll see all your connected drives right on the dashboard. Select the drive, partition, or even your recycle bin where those files were last seen. One click starts the magic. You can even tweak settings to skip temporary files and focus purely on what matters most to you. Step 2. The scan. RecoveryFox AI uses a dual scanning approach to find every single fragment. It starts with a lightning-fast quick scan, followed by our flagship AI deep scan for those tougher-to-find files. Watch in real time as the AI reconstructs scattered fragments back into usable, perfect files. It's science, not luck. Once the scan hits 100%, you'll have a complete list of everything the software recovered. It's that thorough. Step 3. The payoff. Before you commit, you can preview your files to make sure they're exactly what you need. See your photos, videos, and documents right there. If you can see it in the preview, you can recover it. Just select the files you want to save, hit that recover button, and you're on the home stretch. Pick a safe destination. Remember, a different drive than the source. And click OK to finalize. The AI is now reassembling your data. In just a few seconds, your files will be back where they belong. And just like that, disaster is averted. Your data is safe, sound, and ready to use. That's the power of AI. RecoveryFox AI supports over 500 file formats, from Office docs and 4K videos to complex archives. Whether it's an SSD, a USB drive, or an SD card from your camera, we've got you covered on any hardware. Our non-destructive, read-only algorithm ensures your drive stays safe throughout the entire process. No risks, just results. Best part? It's free to scan and preview. You only pay when you're ready to bring your files home for good. Choose the plan that fits your needs, from one-time emergency use to lifetime protection for your digital life. With a 98% success rate and constant AI updates, why settle for anything less than the best in data recovery? Don't wait until it's too late. Download RecoveryFox AI today and keep your data safe from any disaster. I'm Elmer, and this is RecoveryFox AI. Rescue your data today with AI you can trust. See you on the other side. RecoveryFox AI. Rescue it with AI reliability. Visit us online to get started now.